University of Calabar is located in Calabar Municipal, an ancient city in Calabar, Cross River State, Nigeria. The already developed area of the university occupies a 17-hectare site on the eastern side of the town between the Great Kwa River and the Calabar River. Additional land has been acquired on both sides of the Great Kwa River for the development of the university. Academic activities commenced in the 1973-74 session in what was then a campus of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. However, the new autonomous institute started academic work with the Faculty of Arts, Sciences and Social Sciences in October 1976 with an initial enrollment of 896 students. At the beginning of the 1977-78 academic year, the Department of Education, formerly a part of the Faculty of Arts, was upgraded to the Faculty of Education. In 1978-79 academic year, the College of Medical Sciences was added, while the Faculty of Law, established during the 1979-80 academic year, began offering courses in October 1980. The Faculty of Agriculture was established during the 1980-81 academic year. Since then, the university has been experiencing impressive growth. The university has 1 postgraduate school, 19 faculties, and 3 institutes. These are the Faculty of Agriculture, Forestry, and Wildlife Resource Management, Arts, Biological Sciences, Allied Medical Sciences, Basic Medical Sciences, Medicine, Dentistry, Law, Management Sciences, Sciences, Social Sciences, Clinical Sciences, Physical Sciences, Environmental Sciences, Pharmacy, Engineering and Technology, Faculty of Education, Faculty of Vocational and Science Education, Education Foundation Studies, Medical Laboratory Science, Arts and Social Science Education, Institute of Education, Institute of Oceanography, Institute of Policy and Administrative Studies, BASI, and the Institute for African and Asian Studies. Our mission is to produce high-quality graduates and scholars in focal areas of learning with theoretical, practical, and entrepreneurial skills for the world of work in a conducive environment through quality research and teaching. To be a center of excellence, producing globally competitive graduates and contributing significantly to development through research, the University of Calabar places great premium not only on learning but also on character development. The emphasis on character is to help provide the nation with learned Nigerian men and women with a sense of responsibility, crying out against Machiavellianism, bribery, nepotism, and other forms of corruption. The university is grounded on the pursuit of knowledge for enlightenment, freedom, and service to humanity.